Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. If you are new to the channel and if you don't know, I make quiz and video solutions for your BITSAT English and logical reasoning, and this video is made for English. It contains some of the important questions for BITSAT 2021. Not that these questions are directly going to be asked in the exam, but similar kind of questions are asked every year. So this is just a practice for you guys, and you can solve these questions with me and later on tell me how much you could solve. Yeah, so we'll move on slowly, absorb everything whatever is going on in the class, right? Sit with your notebook and pen, even if it's a YouTube video, but you should write everything down in your notebook for future purpose. And now there are chances that your BITSAT is going to be postponed, so there are a few chances. So yeah, keep studying. You have more time to study, so don't get distracted. Right, let's begin with the video. So what you have to do, read the following passage carefully and answer the questions that follow. So you have to read the passage and answer the questions. So we'll read the passage first, because now first we should read the questions technically, but as I'm explaining over here, I read the passage first and then we'll move on to the questions. The first of the political causes of war is war itself. Many wars have been fought among other reasons for the sake of seizing some strategically valuable piece of territory, or in order to secure a natural frontier, that is to say, a frontier which is easy to defend and from which it is easy to launch attacks upon one's neighbors. Purely military advantages are almost as highly praised by the rulers of the nations as economic advantages. The possession of an army, navy, and air force is itself a reason for going to a war. We must use our forces now. So the runs a militarist argument in order that we may in a position to use them to better effect next time. So yeah, this was our passage. We'll see the questions. Why have wars been fought? To use weapons and make room for fresh purchase. So no, this is not the reason, and even if you don't know what the reason is, this definitely can't be the reason. So always while solving comprehension questions, keep your mind open as well. It's not like something sensible is only going to be said in the paragraph. So this is not obviously a sensible reason to make room for fresh purpose, fresh purchase. No one kills people to buy new stuff because people want to show their neighbors that they are strong. Yes, that might be a reason. To capture some areas of another country which are of strategic importance, to teach neighboring countries a good lesson. So we'll go to the passage once again. Many wars for sake of seizing some strategically valuable pieces of territory. So this is our answer. 3. To capture some areas of another country which are of strategic importance. The words are a little bit changed, but the meaning of the sentence remains the same. So you should understand what is given in the paragraph. What does a natural frontier mean? So this is the next line, which is easy to defend and easy to launch attacks. So yeah, one is our answer, an area on the border from where you can keep watch or attack your enemy. But we'll see other options as well. Some place on the border of country having beautiful natural scenario, no. A borderline that has been naturally chosen by two neighboring countries, no. A sudden gift of land by nature because of sudden change in the course of reason, absolutely not. So there are, like in question number 2, there were no options which were even a little bit confusing. A direct, it is given in one of the sentence and it is directly asked. So when you're supposed to solve the comprehension, when you're going to attempt comprehension, do not panic. Everything is given in the paragraph. Just keep your mind open and brain working. Which of the following is correct? Military advantages and economic advantages are same for a country, may or may not be same, but the rulers make them appear to be same. are completely different for a country go against each other. Yeah. So, purely military advantages are almost as highly praised by the rulers of nation as economic advantages. So, military advantages are highly praised as economic advantages are praised. So, we'll go to the question, see what is it. They are not same, but they are praised by the rulers of the nation. So they are not the same. So if you read only half of the sentence and process only half of it, then you might go and mark are the same for a country. But no, it is given that rulers make them appear to be same. So our answer is option number 2. Moving on, comprehension questions are over. You can tell me how much you scored. Did you get all 3 correct or did one of them go wrong? Do let me know in the comment box below. Next, each question below has a word capitalized followed by 4 words or phrases numbered 1 to 4. Choose the word that is most opposite. Now to read here, it's written opposite to the meaning of capitalized word. Okay, so protract. Now here comes your notebook and your pen. So write it down in your notebook. Protract means to prolong. To prolong. So prolong means to extend, increase something, and opposite of increase is to decrease. So what is opposite of decrease? Like here, not to display, no, not related. To indulge in extravagance. Now here, your task is to find meaning of extravagance and let me know in the comment box below. I'll pin your comment like I do every time. Whoever will comment first with all the words I tell in the video, I'll pin their comment so everyone can read. But these are tasks for your own good. So if you go and search it in the Google or in the dictionary what the word means, then you can remember it better. If someone else does it for you, then you might forget it after some time. So opposite of prolong is to cut short. Debilitate. Debilitate is to make someone very weak and infirm. So making someone weak, opposite of making someone weak is to making someone strong. So here our answer is option number 2, to strengthen. Right? And here you have to find meaning of conspire. So this was pretty easy. If you knew the meaning of debilitate, then it was very easy. If you didn't know the meaning of debilitate, then it was going to be a little bit difficult. But now you know, so note it down in your notebook. Pertinacious means holding firmly to an opinion or course of action. So being firm. And here the opposite is irresolute. Irresolute means showing or feeling hesitancy. One is being firm and other is being hesitant. So they are opposites of each other. Here you have to find meaning of irretrievable, insipid. Both the words and tell me in the comment box below. The next word we are going to see is impecuniousness. Impecuniousness means condition of being extremely poor. So these are, I know, a little bit difficult words for your level. Some of you might have not heard these words before. So just don't worry. You have a lot of time to study now. So don't worry. Just whenever you hear a new word, note it down in your notebook. Don't think about anything. You'll see the results in your mock test or your final exam anywhere. Right? Your ultimate aim should be to know maximum words so you can know maximum and solve maximum things in your final exam. So this means to be extremely poor, and affluence means to have a great deal of money, wealth. So yeah, these two are opposite of each other. Our next word is inimical, and inimical means something that causes harm. So what is opposite of something that causes harm to us? someone who is being supportive to us. So there are two type of people in this world: some people who causes harm and some people who are being supportive. So when you are like you're worried or something, then people who causes harm are might be some of your friends who tell you that it's not good, they depress you even more. But people who are supportive are your parents, your friends, your seniors might be there, who support you that yeah, you can do better. So opposite of inimical is supportive. And I think this was the last word for today. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you learned anything from the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't till now, right? And share it amongst your friends because even they will be benefited from this video. And I'll just tell you once again what words you have to find today. So you have to find meaning of course, you have to find meaning of insipid, irretrievable, and extravagance. I think that is it. Yeah, guys. So do let me know meaning of these words in the comment box. Make sure you note everything down in your notebook. If you need to watch the video once again, pause it, write it down. Yeah, if you don't write it down, then you're never going to see the results, right? So just passively watching the videos won't help. Yeah, so this is it for today, guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Keep starting.